Hi, welcome to Off and On. My name is Vikas and I'm the founder of the greatest destination for premium kitchen appliances in India. Stick around and we'll show you amazing things. Understanding the best kitchen appliances and cookware that should be added to your kitchen. What if I tell you you don't need all of these cookware anymore? Let's talk about a product that keeps your kitchen clean, simple and minimal. Introducing the Wonderchef Chef Magic. The latest in assisted cooking. This product makes all the cooking in your kitchen easier and simpler. Let's find out how. Let's explore how this innovative kitchen gadget works and how it could actually become your favorite kitchen helper. The Chef Magic is an all-in-one kitchen appliance that comes with various functions. The appliance comes with 200 preloaded recipes by Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, which you can even access through your mobile app. Features include a 7-inch touchscreen, a 4.7-liter stainless steel jar, an inbuilt weighing scale, a multi-purpose steamer and a high-torque motor for various cooking methods. The touch panel here is user-friendly, letting you choose from various presets or get manual control depending on your cooking needs. Let's see what accessories are included in the box. The multifunctional blade. This is for general mixing, blending and stirring tasks. It is useful for cutting vegetables and other solid ingredients. The Atta kneading blade. This is designed specifically for dough kneading. The sauté blade. It is used in sautéing for various dishes. The butterfly whisk, also known as the butter whisks, ideal for whipping creams or making emulsions like mayonnaise, smoothies, and it also helps in cleaning the jar after cooking. There are also two steam baskets, one big and one small, along with a steam tray which allows it for steaming vegetables and much more. There's also a measuring cup. This helps in precise ingredient measurement, a silicone spatula, and an automatic scrubber. Let's take this appliance for a spin and check out the recipes that are available. Using the Wonderchef Chef Magic, I can say there's absolutely nothing like it before. The machine takes care of so much with such little amount of preparation. I'm not even a skilled chef, and this machine really empowered me to do a lot of interesting things. A very convenient feature is after choosing a recipe, you can actually export the ingredient list to your phone. So when you go shopping, the list is already prepared in terms of what you need and how much you need. I think we've entered a new age of assisted cooking with the product like the Chef Magic. If you are an office goer and you just don't have the time, you don't want to depend on ordering fruit from outside or anybody to cook food for you, you can come back and let the appliance do the bulk of the work. If you are in college or school and you want a machine to sort of act as a bridge between you not knowing how to cook to at least getting food made, this is absolutely amazing. And I think the best use case for the machine is for the elderly, because there's not a lot of heavy duty work here. The machine takes care of so much. It takes care of the cutting, the steaming, the cooking, the pressurizing. You just need the added attachments and it's absolutely amazing. The paneer was delicious, by the way. The best part is that the recipes are editable, so you can change the salt or the spice levels according to your own preferences. Cleaning the Chef's Magic is actually quite convenient. There are a couple of programs that you can use on the appliance. There's a quick clean program and there's a deep cleaning program as well. You don't really need more than a glass of water and a couple of drops of dishwashing liquid to let the program run. After which you can just rinse it under the kitchen tap, actually very easy. Whether you're a busy professional or even a seasoned chef, this appliance can really add value to your kitchen. I think this machine is fantastic. We want to know what you think. Let us know in the comments.